Ngalungin sit sila ko kami rogoy ako man nom sam netun in at TMC yang akang kleka wilaw ngiranggoy. May gagid ako mamiyang alay sa Sils, makot temeyang alay sa United Airlines. A United Airlines sa moeda 2 more flights al mera bulur belaw lo mura November. Makot te flight ta ngara kwaman mera bulur belaw, ya ongeru flight ta ngara huripingan mera bulur belaw. Atara meyang alay sa China Airlines. El altama China Airlines sa adinga raigel dom kodong alwasing charter basis. Ending mura November, and direct kan morning at the blood flights sa China Airlines and merabulur belaw. Atara meyang alay sa ora la alu. El altameng mlarwep to ora la alu by 15 cents per gallon. El altameng 582 ara la kasoring, 677 ara la deise. And ditiyang al-ada ka lang makatagat talwaise, litigil other sila Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, away sila wasit na mo kataw na oil production, matiyang akuk mauulang gukmutin mas aral alu. Ngele former Chief of Staff, Ragoror State Government, amle convicted there sila October 6 by presiding justice and Kathleen Sali. Ngang amle violate tablol code of ethics, ya first conviction ringi amle count for violation ersedam kodong anil wasing 33 PNC subsection 603, the use of government property for private activities that serve no governmental purpose through renovations of her family home. Asal anil conviction ringi account 6 in violation of 33 PNC subsection 604. Using official position to secure privileges, exemptions, advantages, and treatment for herself. I got several convictions, a misdemeanor, which include up to $10,000 fine for each violation, ma other penalties according to the law. Tiang trial division na during nirtegi del case, ang miloko lo a Republic of Palau, amle fail or prove beyond reasonable doubt, wasang kaigi del former Chief of Staff Ragoror State Government amle commit theft in first degree and tampering with government record. A sentencing date ng former Chief of Staff of course State Government amla scheduled mo November 4. Et talgay sable prosecute ni obis a special prosecutor by April Don Cripps. Matara meyang alay sa PNCC. PNCC amla harap SLC or TIR niya Mr. Simon Fraser. Nga adra Ireland, the former commercial director for telecommunication company. Nga yula master's degree ngi human resource management from Dublin University. Edira yula master's ngi in environmental planning ra Queen's University at Belfast. Nga yula bachelor's degree ngi in sociology at NUI Galloway. Atara meyang alay sa PAWS niya Palau Animal Welfare Society. Tira ngamle collaborate lobangela Imalik State Government, ma-Governor si Mayor, and mornya clinic ertir sila community center in Imalik at el almaral Tuesday October 19 lomura 9 o'clock tutaw. Malsum nga karmiu malubang kora somiul momodengya more information gired tagi the clinic emota nga lomkodong na 775 PAWS or 775-7297. Atara meyang alay sa nga niya new full-fledged attorney and niya Miss Hila Asanuma. Nga ngamle graduate ra Thomas Cooley Law School in Michigan. Emne ngila bar exam ra last year emne pass mesera manden niya October 10 emne swear in. Ngari elan maran May October 24 morning sel all hotel Belaufer el nga morning ra bulurong artmaw. Telol hotel Belaufer amor bitar sel obis ra state ra bulurong artmaw. Mau era kun masum e kurang asulir at let me give a really special shout out al morang awakle el ngiya ngara ako pa Waikiki marol ngara Pearl City mamilil ngara Waikiki. Thank you for taking care of business maomay. Malway senguk tim negigida meyang alay buknos sa bamlot top el Sils. So please drive safe and buckle up.